Digital marketing has become a crucial aspect of modern businesses, and it is essential for beginners to understand and implement effective digital marketing strategies. In this guide, we will walk you through various practice projects that will help you gain hands-on experience in digital marketing. These projects are designed to be relevant and useful in 2024, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Before diving into practice projects, it is vital to have a solid understanding of digital marketing concepts. Familiarize yourself with topics such as search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SE content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and analytics. To execute digital marketing projects effectively, you will need specific tools and platforms. Some essential tools include Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Hootsuite, Canva, and MailChimp. Familiarize yourself with these tools and set up your accounts to begin working on your projects. Create a comprehensive digital marketing strategy for a hypothetical business or a real-life small business. This strategy should include goals, target audience, content creation, social media management, email marketing, and analytics tracking. This project will help you understand how different digital marketing tactics work together to achieve business objectives. Learn the fundamentals of SEO and content marketing by creating a blog for your hypothetical or real-life business. Conduct keyword research, optimize your content for search engines, and create engaging blog posts. Monitor your progress using Google Analytics and make necessary adjustments. Develop a social media marketing plan for your business, focusing on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Create a content calendar, design visuals using Canva, and post regularly. Monitor engagement and adjust your strategy based on performance. Design and execute email marketing campaigns using platforms like MailChimp. Create engaging email newsletters, promotional emails, and autoresponders. Analyze open and click-through rates to optimize your campaigns. Learn about paid advertising options such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Set up campaigns, track their performance using analytics tools, and optimize them for better results. Understand key performance indicators, KPIs, and how to analyze them to make data-driven decisions. Join digital marketing communities, attend webinars, and participate in online courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. Collaborate with peers on group projects to gain diverse perspectives and learn from one another's experiences. Regularly review your digital marketing projects, analyze their success, and identify areas for improvement. This step will help you refine your skills and stay updated with the latest industry trends. By following this ultimate guide to digital marketing practice projects, beginners can gain hands-on experience and develop a strong foundation in digital marketing. With dedication and consistent effort, you will be well equipped to excel in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing in 2024 and beyond.